crack right there.
Not good, not good.
No! Open! Open it! Open!
Hey, my name is Laura and I am not a chef. I review the internet's recipes to see if they are actually any good and if they can be achieved by us, mere non-chefs. And today we're making Emerald Chocolate Tart. So over on the old Instagram, I let you guys vote this week on what you wanted me to make. And you picked this crazy looking tart. It's like a chocolatey, minty oasis. So there are 3 stages to this tart. There's the tart base, there's the ganache, chocolate ganache filling, and then there's the mint jelly that goes on top, which gives the oasis kind of feel to it. It looks crazy, it looks amazing, and it looks like the most time-consuming and difficult dessert I have done since the pumpkin cake last Halloween.
Maybe I could try a piping bag. Let's just start swiveling this on top.
So yeah, I think this will be a long one, so get comfy and let's get right into it. To the ingredients! So here we have all the ingredients we need to make our chocolate emerald marine mint tart. And the recipe we're following today is about chocolate cacao. So I began the recipe last night in the evening around like 10 o'clock at night. The tart needed 8 hours in the fridge. So I thought I'll just do it the day before, otherwise this recipe will truly take forever. And so let's go back in time to last night. So, hello nighttime Laura in her pajamas. Oh no, she's dancing. Oh god. Oh stop. Oh no, not the robot. Oh god. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is cream the butter until it's nice and oh god, get out of the whisk. Okay, we're good. So we're creaming the butter together until it's nice and soft and paler in appearance. Ooh, now we add icing sugar. Bam! And similarly, we add that until it's a nice soft creamy texture. Mixed together. Ooh, cocoa powder. So I had combined the cocoa powder and the flour together in a little container. Ooh, the whisk. Ooh, the egg. So we're whisking the egg in a hot water bath, but not too hot because we don't want to scramble the egg. So I think we're just mixing it together until it's a bit foamier, a bit paler. I'm not actually sure. I just followed what he did. Ooh, so we add it to the mixture in 3 parts. And the end result should be nice and creamy and pale and delicious. Now we get to add half of the cocoa powder and flour mixture into our creamy texture of a batter. And we mix them together like so. Whee! Ooh, and then we add the other half and we mix that together also. Plump! Then we fold it in half and we're going to wrap it up in cling film like a little parcel, a little chocolate parcel of deliciousness. See, look how happy it is. All cool and warm and toasty until we put it in the fridge next to the onion. Hello, onion friend. Good night. Back to present day. I have my lovely chocolate tart here. What's next, Mr. Chocolate Cacao? Oh god. Flour. We shall begin by rolling this out. Flour power, yeah. And stretch the dough. So, pop you here. Let's roll the rolling pin and some flour too. Yeah. Get out of here. Break it this way. Yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Molded his hands a little bit. Ooh. I'm too weak and pathetic. Ugh. Let's not get carried away and work with it too much. Well, tart. Oh no! 3mm. That looks about right to me. Yeah. Don't make me tie you up here. You better put it in the fridge. I don't know what to put it on and put it on the fridge. Good thing I've got my thinking cap on today. Pop this over the top, because that's what he does on the video. Oh no, it's sticky. Oh no, it's okay. It'll be fine. A little sand on the fridge. To the fridge you go. So I have my tart casing here. Got some butter. We're gonna grease up this tart pan. Tart pan, yeah. Tart pan. Okay, this looks pretty buttered up. Leave to cool. What? Maybe I'll just pop it in the fridge. Alright, so I'll check in with you after half an hour. It's been 30 minutes. Let's get our little tart out. Now we have to watch really closely for this next part. So we're putting the tart in the casing. Honestly, I've done this once before in my life, but it was a disaster. A disaster. We have this and this. Oh no, there's no room. Rolls it up. Oh no. Oh no. Roll with me, friends. Roll. Okay. And then we get the tart. Oh, this is heavy. Oh no. God. Okay. What's next? Ooh. Ooh. So delicate. I'm so not delicate. Alright, I think I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing okay. I think. Then he rolls over the top. I'm so scared. Oh no, stop moving. Oh, how does one do such a thing? Ooh. Is this right? I don't know. It looks hideous. I'm just making all kinds of a mess. I'm gonna get a knife. I'm sorry, cake pan. I'm scratching you. Sorry. Okay. What about this technique? Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha. At least it's in the cake tin. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Poke with a fork. So let's give it the old stab stab. Now it's beautiful. Oh! Okay, back in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. Alright, it's been another 30 minutes. Now we have a nice and cool tart. Sex tart. So next step is we're gonna bake it, and he uses tart stones so that it doesn't rise when it's cooking in the center. I don't have any tart stones, but after doing a little bit of Googling, you can use dried beans or uncooked rice instead. Oh, rice! So we're baking in the oven for 35 minutes at 160. See you in another 35 minutes. Hello, we're back again, and we're almost finished with this tart. Taking so long. Okay, let's take it out of the oven. Make your rice. Yeah. So you can clearly see I made one side a bit thicker than the other. I already have an egg yolk prepared. I'm gonna put it all in here. I don't know if we're meant to let it cool down. He didn't say we had to. So we're not. So we put it back in the oven, which is at 140 now, 5 minutes. In the meantime, so I think next we get to move on to the ganache. Thank God. I got this for Christmas. Just a little piping set. Oh wow, it's made of a cloth. Wow. Aha. Oh. My gloss did not work. Why? Why you do me dirty like this? Why? Let's just put that aside for now. We'll deal with you later. Now we get to move on to the ganache. Hurrah! Okay, well he pops it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, well let's try our luck. Let's see if this microwave of disappointment will turn on. Let's plug it in. Ready? No! I'm doing a hot water bath instead. Stupid microwave. I hate you. Hate you. Beautiful, amazing, wonderful, spectacular. Okay, we're making progress. Yay! Alright, and he's putting a thin layer on the bottom of the tart. Spread it out around the bottom. Wonderful. Put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. The next part of the ganache, you put a clip here. Why? What does this clip mean? Ooh, I have a similar clip. Perhaps I should follow in his footsteps. He seems to know what he's doing. And I'm putting the remaining ganache into this little pocket. Little pocket. Chocolate with extra dairy. Yum. This needs to go in the fridge too. Yum, 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 yum. Ganache time. Hey, hey. So this next part will either be a disaster or it'll be fine. Let's find out. We're starting from the center. The piping bag part is kind of, as he says, the coral reef that kind of helps stick the jelly and everything together. I think I'm doing pretty well, friends. I mean, this is the prettiest thing I've ever made. I'm so happy. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. We are here. We have arrived. We are at the final frontier. We can do this. We got this. First of all, before we get started on this mint jelly journey, Mr. Cacao uses monin syrups, and I looked them up and they were about $30 to $40. I hate to not do things following exactly the recipe, but maybe this can be the budget version. This is the budget version of the recipe. Okay, so final frontier. Mix the sugar with the gelatin. Whisk them together like whiskey friends. Now's the time where we will we're going crazy, okay? So first of all, adds the syrups. How strong is this? 1.5 teaspoons to begin with. Blush of blue, blush of green, a little dark. Okay, pour it out. We'll try again. I think I finally got a color palette I'm happy with. I'm adding this combination. I'm just gonna give me gentle heat. After he's melted it, it has this white, bubbly appearance, which I'm reaching very, very quickly. Put it in a big bowl of ice. I came to realize that I don't have any ice. Alright, I think this is done. So I decided to put some peas. He said when the temperature's about 35, you want to act immediately, pop it onto here, because that's when it starts solidifying. This is going to take ages, and then it's going to be so sudden. Suddenly needs to be poured in. Maybe I'll just chuck some peas. Pea bath. Oh. Alright, I think our time to shine has come. Time to shine is here. Alright, let's just do it. Let's just put it in. Oh god. Oh no. I realized I've got a crack in my pastry. Not good, not good. Oh no. Oh no. No, no. No. Perhaps some aluminium foil. Oh god damn it. We're on a time frame. Oh no. They're taped together. Suspected this video went too smoothly. Open. Open it. Open. No. No. So it's the next next day and my camera died in the middle of all the craziness yesterday. What happened was there was a crack in the crust of the tart, and I thought with the jelly being so liquidy that it would seep through the crack. So I was running around trying to find aluminium foil or something to fix it, but then within that time frame the jelly ended up solidifying, so the whole thing was pointless anyway. So I ended up with not the smoothest looking jelly compared to his. In a typical not a chef fashion, something had to go wrong. But without further ado, I think it's time we get to try this delicious tart, don't you? Serving time! So here it is. Wow! Whoa! Even though it came out really lumpy, it still looks very oceany and marine-like. It just kind of looks like, there's some movement in the waves. Whoa. This tastes really good. I like the hint of mint without it being overpowering. It complements the chocolate. Ooh, I'm very proud of myself. This looks so cool. Wow. Well done, Mr. Cacao. Thank you for sharing the recipe. I will link, obviously, all his things below. If you've got the time and you've got the concentration to really put the effort into making it, you could make this pretty easily. His instructions on his video are pretty good. Otherwise, you've watched me make this cake, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Laura is not a chef. Instagram for all things food. Laura Daniel Art for all things art. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe and comment any recipes that you want me to try so you don't have to. Alright, thank you. Bye.